An important shape in chromatographic column is overloading of chromatographic band. This is normal Gaussian shape band, which is equally distributed on both sides, and this is overloading band. Normally, its shape should be like this, means sample should be gradually comes out of the column, and shape, normal shape, it will be slightly different. Normal shape, then sample come out of the column, and we got this type of normal shape. But in case of overloading, suddenly sample comes out of the column and we got this type of shape. Overloading occur due to large amount of sample. I mean, if we introduce large amount of sample in the column, then due to gravity and due to large amount of the sample insert pressure, and due to pressure suddenly maximum sample it comes out of the column. So this overloading occur due to large amount of the sample, and it can be avoided simply by introducing small amount of sample. Now due to large amount, initially sample come out of the column gradually, but due to high pressure then suddenly all sample comes out of the column. So this is overloading, and it's normal shape of overloading. So it's our normal shape, and actual shape in overloading, it's like this. Suddenly sample comes out of the column and we got overloaded band. So this is overloading of chromatographic band.